Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that every motorist should have, a tyre inflator. Here we've got the Halfords Rapid Digital Tyre Inflator. This is the one with the automatic cut-off. We're going to have a quick look at it, show you how it works, and that's it. It's going to be a nice quick one today. So let's take a look and see what exactly you get in the box. Well, it comes in this nice storage bag. You can keep it inside your boot. Have the instruction book. So here it is. So the power cable just clips in underneath, and you just easily pull it out. Just keeps going. Once you've pulled out the cable, just need to find your 12-volt socket and plug it in. Once it's plugged in, you'll get some numbers. The number at the bottom is the pressure you want it set to, and you use the plus and the minus to make that go up and down. This unit also comes with a light, so if you need to use it in the dark, that could be quite handy. For my tyres, the pressure needs to be 42, but what I found is when I'm releasing, it normally loses about one bar of pressure, so I normally set it to 43, so once I unscrew it, any losses, it comes out to around about 42. The actual connector to the tyre is stored in here, and it just screws on. Let's do that now. There's a nice handy groove here, you can store the dust cap in. As you can see, my tyre is a little bit low, so I'm 40. I'm going to set this to 43 and then we'll start it off and see how we go. This also has a release valve, so if you going to go too far over, you can press this and release air out. Once you're done and you put your dust cap back, you've unplugged, you just find the handle. All good. So there you go, just a quick overview of the Rapid Tyre Inflator from Halfords. Again, every motorist should have some form of tyre inflator, either in the car or in their garage. If you like the video, give it a comment, a like and a subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. So let's have a look and see what exactly we get in the box. Get a lot of bloody wind, that's what you get.